What ways can we disappoint Star Wars fans and still make a lot of money?
You!
Whoa, 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 whoa!
You villain!
What are you doing in my office?
We are sick and tired of you Disney hacks ruining Star Wars.
Guys, we aren't ruining Star Wars. Look, we made $1 billion off of The Rise of Skywalker by you stupid fans watching it. Alright, stop, okay? I'll give you what you want, just tell me what you want.
Remember how you canceled Clone Wars?
We canceled a lot of good things.
Well, we want it back.
Star Wars Clone Wars first aired on Cartoon Network in 2008 and abruptly ended in 2014. It was about time they concluded this amazing TV show that arguably made the prequel trilogy better. The first episode of the 7th season is now available on Disney Plus, and I gotta say, it put me back on the ride. Episode 1, The Bad Batch, is about Captain Rex and Cody who team up with an uncanny group of clones to infiltrate a separatist base. Right away, the animation has improved significantly, with beautiful lighting and character animations that aren't stiff anymore. This episode is action-packed with really cool new characters, and truly sets the tone for the rest of the season. If I had to be honest, I am a bit concerned if the show would perfectly wrap multiple story arcs as well as bring closure to the entire series in 12 episodes, because there are a great many things I was looking forward to that didn't end well. Game of Thrones. But I thoroughly enjoyed this episode and I hope for the best. This has been Tarun, and may the Force be with you.